G'day folks, today we're going to be taking a look at the roll cage for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This was made available for purchase last week, mine just arrived yesterday. Basically it's a protective sleeve and a replaceable protective lens for your Hero 8 Black. Let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So one of the biggest complaints with the launch of the Hero 8 Black is that the GoPro no longer has a replaceable lens cover. If that lens cover gets scratched or damaged, you're basically out of luck. Unless you have GoPro Plus, which then they will actually replace your GoPro, but there is a fee to do so. With past models, you could easily fix it yourself with a replacement part that costs $20, but you can't do that with this year's model. Now, they are pretty durable and they don't break very often. I have broke one in the past 5 or 6 years, and it was kind of my fault, but still, accidents do happen. One alternative that you can do is pick up the super suit or the protective housing for the Hero 8 Black. It will protect your lens, and if this happens to get damaged, it's a lot cheaper to replace. But these do come with a downfall. They're big and bulky, and it can affect your audio a little bit. Plus, you're always forever putting it in and out. So GoPro has released this new accessory, and it's called the roll cage. Now, I'm wondering if this was maybe an afterthought after the outcry of people complaining about the non-replaceable lens, as this wasn't really launched alongside the Hero 8 Black, it was added later on. It was first displayed on their website about a month ago, but like I said, it only became available for purchase last week. So let's open it up here and we'll take a look at it. So here it is here, and I believe that's all that's in the box. Yep, that is it. So basically, it's very similar to the silicone sleeve that GoPro is already selling for the Hero 8 Black, except it doesn't have the lanyard attached to it, and it has a protective lens built into it, whereas the silicone sleeve and lanyard does not. If you happen to damage the lens that's in here, you can pull it out just like that and replace it. Installation is pretty basic. It just slides into the back. You just have to stretch the silicone around it. So there it is there. You can see it's installed. It fits quite nicely, and it definitely will give it some protection for both the body and for the lens. However, that front screen and the back screen is still fully exposed, so they can be damaged in a hard impact. Unlike using something like the super suit, this thing will protect it all the way around. Now, one thing you're going to have to be careful with, and I can already see I got some dust under there, so that's another issue that you will have to take precautions. Maybe get one of those dust blowers to keep the dust out of it, because that can definitely show up in some of your shots. Now, ideally, when you're trying to get the best picture quality possible, the less glass you shoot through, the better. It doesn't make a huge difference, but if you are going to be filming something where you're not going to have a lot of risk involved with the shot, you can actually pull that glass piece out very easily and just film through the basic lens. When it's time to put it back in, it actually pops in fairly easy. Now, I'm really hoping, it's pretty bad that we have to go to all these extra measures just to protect our lens. It would have been nice if they had left the removable lens option on the Hero 8 Black. The unfortunate thing is when GoPro does release a new design, they tend to use it for a few years. Because this one was just released, we'll probably have this design for at least 2 years. Then maybe GoPro will redesign it with a removable lens. But hopefully I'm wrong, and maybe next year we will get a slightly redesigned version with a removable lens cover. Anyways, folks, that is the roll cage for the Hero 8 Black. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.